What the fuck was that?
What?
What do you mean what? You just coughed.
Oof, relax, man. The water just went down the wrong hole.
I don't give a fuck what hole it went down. How do I know you don't have the fucking virus?
Cuz, I haven't left the house in 2 months. Where am I getting the fucking virus from?
I don't know what you do in your spare time.
This is what I do. I sit on this couch and I don't fucking move. Cause there's nothing to do.
I don't know, cuz I'm not taking any risks.
Are you really putting a face mask on? Oh, you gotta be joking.
Did you just really fucking cough again?
Obviously, I fucking coughed. You sprayed G20 down my fucking throat.
Yeah, I've got one. Seems pretty bad. You need to come put him in isolation ASAP.
Did you just tell on me?
I'm sorry, cuz, but I'm way too valuable of a person to risk catching this virus.
What? Who'd you even call?
Ooh, they came quick. You better go pack your shit.
What?
I'll see you on the other side, cuz.